Hi, my name's Isabella and I'm studying a Bachelor of Photography at Queensland College of Art, majoring in documentary and photojournalism. I signed up for the Signal to Noise infield because I grew up in the Solomon Islands and the effects of climate change were all around me, and when this trip came along, the idea of illustrating that through photography sounded like a great idea.
Hi there, my name's Vanessa. I'm currently studying a Bachelor of Fine Arts at QCA Griffith. And I am majoring in jewellery and small objects and drawing. I decided to join Signal to Noise. It really excited me to be able to combine both science and environmental concerns with my art study. I believe everything's interconnected.
Connor, I'm from Airlie Beach. I'm currently doing a Bachelor's of Education. I'm majoring in high school, but I'm wanting to be able to do primary school as well. I think it will be a valuable resource in order to teach kids about climate change, its first-hand experience.
My name is Eliseussen and I'm from Far North Queensland, but I'm in Brisbane studying for my Bachelor of Arts, majoring in creative writing. I signed up for the Signal to Noise Infield Arctic Tour because it presents an incredible opportunity to see the effects of climate change on the environment and to learn how we can help and what we can do.
Hello, my name is Klein. I'm from Brisbane, Australia, and I'm currently studying photojournalism at Griffith University. I signed up for the upcoming Signal to Noise infield trip to the Arctic to follow on from a recent trend of working on climate change-centred stories.
Hi, my name is Samantha Gray. I am from South Africa and I am studying communications and journalism. I believe words have power. They can inspire and ignite change. So I will be contributing to all the written work as well as some podcasts for our project to bring the message home.
Hello, my name is Ben Harden. I study a Bachelor of Journalism. I've just completed my third year, entering my fourth and final year. I'm originally from Far North Queensland. It's a place called Ravensay, 2 hours southwest of Cairns. The reason why I signed up for the Arctic Infield Study Tour was because I'm passionate in understanding more about climate change and the impacts it has on our environment and people.
Hi there, my name is Emma Stephens and I'm from Brisbane. I'm currently studying social science at Griffith University. This will be the first time I feel like I'm making a true active step in learning about climate change.
I'm Adam Waters, I'm from Brisbane. I'm currently studying Bachelor of Photography at the Queensland College of Art, and I'm majoring in photojournalism and documentary practice. I signed up for the Signal to Noise infield because it's a subject I'm very passionate about, and I'm looking forward to working with peers from many different disciplines and seeing what we can create.
Hi, I'm Emma and I'm from Brisbane. I'm going into my second year of a double degree of Engineering and Environmental Science. I signed up to the Signal to Noise Arctic Tour to gain an international perspective on a global issue that is climate change.
Hello, my name is Earl Bridger. Currently, I'm an adjunct senior lecturer with Griffith University with a background in photojournalism.
Hi, I'm Dr. Heather Anderson. I'm a senior lecturer in journalism with the School of Humanities, Languages and Social Science at Griffith Uni. I round out the Signal to Noise team and I'm really excited to be working with such a talented bunch of students and staff.